How's everybody doing today? Here we are at Hawaii Fabrication. I got a little bored today, so I decided to make a can crusher. And I think it turned out pretty decent, actually. We're going to give it a test. I'm going to give it a test right now and see how we did. Oh my God, would you look at that. Of course it's going on the wall. I had to give it the test, the old test. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, yes. Man, you gotta be really bored to make a homemade can crusher. But what the hell? Thank you for watching.